Hi guys, on this video we're going to be going over ZipGrade and just basically how to create a quiz, how to create a key, and then some other cool things that I found out that weren't even in the PDFs from the teacher. So to create a new quiz, you would just say new quiz. You could just do your quiz name, answer sheet, and then you have these tags, and this helps you mark what questions are being asked, and then you can open a mission. So I'm going to cancel this because I already have one. I have the Route 54 quiz, and as you can see, I've had some people take it. So just over here, you can edit your answer key, and this is where you could select your tag. So you could say age, and then you could do your answers. The one thing I didn't like about this ZipGrade was it's not really made for it's more like quizzes. So the survey is a little different. It's kind of hard to do a survey in here, but yeah, whatever. But yeah, here you just have to save that. Sorry. So then we'll go back to the quiz. I actually have an online submission, which is what I thought was super cool. And so basically what I did was I had a PDF of the questions asked. And so when you decide to take the quiz, you actually it'll take you to the quiz, and we can kind of go over that. And then it would just be a name box. So we'll just say Colin video, so we know it's me, so we can go see my answers. And then here you have the questions, and so I uploaded that PDF. So all these people have to do is scan it. In my blog, you basically just scan the QR code and it takes you right to this. And then you would just answer things. We'll just do a bunch of random answers. And then go down, review and submit. Submit to teacher. So that's what they would do. And then so it's pretty easy. So they go straight to that quiz. So I know in the thing we were talking about making it easy for people to take the quiz, and we would have billboards with the questions on it. But by doing this, you don't even need the billboard. It gives the questions right to them. They just scan the QR code, so you can have a QR code on a billboard or on a piece of paper, and they would go right to it. And then so once we go back to the quiz, we could also scan it. So if we had Scantrons, because people don't have cell phones, as we talked in the class, then we would just scan it, and the same answers would come to here. We'd scan the Scantrons. And then so as you can see in here, we just kind of have the score distribution. Honestly, in a forum, I don't think it really matters because there's no right answer. Everyone's answer is going to be a little different. And then we can kind of see everyone's answers by name. And then item analysis is probably the best one to do. As you can see, this is probably where a forum is most important for this. So you'd go to item analysis, and you can see by just how many people answered in certain things. So that's where you can really get the statistics for everything. And then yeah, so that's ZipGrader.